Today I'm going to teach you how to make a spinach artichoke dip.
Can we please take a moment to notice that my nails match my dress perfectly today, and I'm so proud. We're gonna start off by chopping up some artichokes. Next, you're gonna add a bag of frozen spinach that you've cooked in the microwave. Don't drop the bag like I did. Ugh. Next, you're gonna add a softened block of cream cheese. Next, you're gonna add 1 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese, half a cup of shredded Parmesan cheese, a spoonful of garlic. Next, I'm gonna add some salt, some fancy pepper, Is that enough? No, it's not. I like a lot of pepper. If you didn't know that already. Then the last thing I'm gonna add is some of this Greek seasoning. Just gonna add maybe that much, I don't know. Now the great thing about this recipe is that you can cook it in the microwave, you can cook it in the oven, or you can cook it in a crock pot. Just heat it up all the way through until the cheese is melted and the dip is warm. So I'm gonna bake mine in the oven, so I'm gonna sprinkle some more cheese on top.